In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trading 212 for beginners and creating Autoinvest pies. By the end, you'll feel comfortable finding an investment on Trading 212, placing a simple buy order, and understanding how those same building blocks translate to Autoinvest pies. Start by opening Trading 212 in your web browser or on the mobile app. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, switch to the Invest section. This is the area designed for buying and holding stocks and ETFs, and it's the foundation you'll use later when you explore Autoinvest pies. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This is your shortcut to the entire market. Type the name or ticker of the stock or ETF you're interested in. As you type, you'll see matching results. Select the one you want to open its details page. Take a moment to glance at the price chart, key stats, and any important notices. It's a good habit to understand what you're buying and the market hours it trades in, because prices can move when markets open and close. When you're ready, click Buy. You'll see an order ticket where you can choose how much to invest. You can type an amount directly or use the slider to adjust it. Trading 212 supports fractional investing for many assets, so you can invest a specific amount of money rather than buying whole shares. Double-check the currency, the estimated number of shares you're getting, and any relevant information about execution. If the market is closed, the platform will queue your order for the next session. If it's open, your order will typically execute at the current market price. Click Review Order to see a clear summary before you commit. This confirmation screen is your chance to make sure everything looks right: the asset, the amount, and the estimated cost. If you spot anything off, go back and adjust the figures. If it's all correct, click Send by Order. The platform will confirm your order has been placed, and you can track its status from your portfolio. Now, a quick word on Autoinvest pies. The exact same skills you just used, finding assets, choosing amounts, and thinking in terms of allocation, are what make pies powerful. A pie groups multiple investments and assigns target percentages, so over time your contributions can be spread automatically according to your plan. Think of today's single purchase as the core action, and a pie as a way to automate that action across several holdings on a schedule. That's it for the basics. Always invest according to your own research and risk tolerance, and remember that values can go down as well as up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.